Here we have our jacuzzi tub that we've installed about 20 years ago. And one thing I never had installed is grab bars. I didn't install them myself because I'm rather paralyzed at the thought of drilling through tile and trying to affix sturdy grab bars. So we need horizontal grab bars underneath that decorative tile work on both sides. And then we need two lower angled grab bars so that when we're sitting in the tub we can grab onto the angled bar and pull ourselves up to the higher horizontal bar. I've done all sorts of work in the house, plumbing, electrical, water heaters, kind of you name it, but the lowly grab bar has me paralyzed as to how to go about installing it. With this tub, you might notice that there's light on each end. I've installed LED strip lights that shine over our shoulder so they can read our books while we're in the tub. So anyway, if you can give us a hand, thank you. It'd be much appreciated.